We talked about pretty much everything we need to know. That take-home test solutions are very, very helpful. Please take advantage of those sessions there. You really need to work on that to prepare for the next coming exam. And these are the only thing we haven't done yet, which are the radicals. So I'm going to concentrate on that tonight. So in order to simplify this, radical 196. So what you do is you break that 196 to its prime number. Okay, you can draw the line here. Okay, so to speed up the process, when I ask you a question, anybody can, those of you on the phone, you can talk. Those of you can click on the talk button and you can quickly,
What chapter would this be under? Could you tell me what chapter would this fall under, these questions?
Yes. You're preparing for chapter 5 and 6. We did chapter 5. This would be chapter 6, radicals, and complex number. That's what you're working on. Okay? And all right, so let's move on. So when you break the number to its prime number under the radical, in this case 196, you ask yourself what's the smallest number goes to that. What is it, anybody? This is even number, so what goes to 196 evenly? 2, okay?
So, 2.
Okay, good. So if I divide 2 into 196, what do I get? Divide half of that would be what? 98, right? Okay, so we keep repeating the process. What's the smallest prime number goes to 98? You just take 98 and you divide it by 2. What do we get? You feel free to jump in and respond. 49. Okay, what's the smallest prime number goes to 49? Prime. 14 is not prime. 7. Very good. So you divide that by 7.
7.
Yeah. You get 7 in here. And then 7 is already prime. You divide 7 into prime, you get 1. Once you get 1 here, it means you're done. You are done with breaking the numbers into prime number. So in order to simplify a radical, one way is to break the numbers into prime number and write it as that. So in this case, we have 2 2s and 2 7s. Okay? So we all know, like, what radical 4 is equal to. What's radical 4 is equal to, anyone? Feel free to talk, guys. We have a microphone. What's radical 4? Nobody wants to say anything?
2.
2, okay. 2. So radical 4 is equal to 2. Now, why is it equal to 2? Because 4 is really 2 squared. So you have when you have a pairs of the number. So let me write down a property here which will help you to simplify. So if I have a to the power of m, n fruit of that. So I have n fruit of that. So I'll put n here. This whole thing would be equal to a to the power of m over n. So you can write this down somewhere as well, the property that you can remember right there. So in this case, we have square root of 2 squared, and when there's no number here, it means it's 2. So in this case, it would be 2 to the power of 2 over 2, which is 2 to the power of 1, which is equal to 2. So that's why square root of 4 is equal to 2. So if you have pairs of the number, they would come out as 2. So in this case, that would be square root of 4, divide like that if you want, square root of 49. So that give me that would be 2, and that would be 7. So the whole thing would be equal to minus 14. So A would be the correct answer here. A. Are there any questions on that so far? Let me ask you to really put a check mark in front of your name if you all can follow this. You had a little problem with logging in. I'm not sure why you getting kicked out, but like I said, this gets recorded. You can always use the recording session. So let me see if everybody here so far. Looks like everybody is responding except, okay, he John just logged in left, I guess. Martin 561. Remember I asked you to just put your full name. Alrighty. Okay, few of you just logged in and not responding. Okay, let's take a look at